Hey guys, Adina here with Creative Lifestyles with Adina. Happy New Year! It's almost here, the new year. We've all been waiting for it to get here, and I'm going to show you some fun things you can do at home to celebrate this new year coming. And the first thing we're going to start with is a yummy cocktail, kind of a vodka spritzy cocktail. Especially if you don't like champagne, this is perfect. I'm not a big champagne fan. We always want to celebrate with something sparkly for the new year, so this is the perfect cocktail for that. What you want to do is grab your champagne flute, and I use the Enchanted Rock vodka here, and I am going to pour just a little bit in the lid because I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to rim the glass to make it look pretty. We'll set that right there. So just take your vodka, put a little bit around the rim. And then we're going to use just some sparkling sugar. You know, everything's got to be sparkly for the new year. These are just like the candy sprinkles, the sugar sprinkles. I have white or clear, and then I have a little red to kind of go with our cranberry that we have going on. We'll add that to it. Mix that up a little bit. And then you take your rim that you've already put the vodka on just to get it wet. And look how cute that is, how simple and easy. Here, we'll go ahead and do the other one too, just to show you. Because, you know, two people, we got to say cheers, right? There you go. Look how simple and easy that is. So next, we're going to take some of our frozen cranberries. You can get them in the freezer department at any grocery store. So we'll add our frozen cranberries. You can add ice if you want to, but you really don't have to because the frozen cranberries kind of act like your ice here. And then we're going to add our vodka, our Enchanted Rock vodka. You want to use about 2 ounces. For me, that's about a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then here's another one. We'll add that one there. All right, there we go. And then next, you want to add your cranberry juice, and you just want to put about, depending on the size of your cup, I put about a 1/4 cup of this in, or just kind of fill it to eyeball it there. You want to leave enough room for your ginger beer. Going to top it off. Just enough that gives it the little sparkle, kind of acts as your champagne. And what's cool is that ginger beer is non-alcoholic, so if you want to make this a mocktail, just don't put the vodka in and you have a yummy, still celebratory little cocktail. Cheers, guys. Happy New Year. And the next thing we want to do is we want to have some fun party favors. These are very simple and easy. Use things from around the house that you already have. I happen to have popsicle sticks, or maybe you just have, you could even use spoons for this, like plastic spoons or plastic knives. Very simple to do. Just grab yourself some Deco Art paint here. Pour a little bit of that on. This is just the acrylic paint. All right, so we put our acrylic paint on there, and you want to let it dry about 10-20 minutes. You can get it on both sides, and then I added this really cute little sparkly paint that we have here. Add a little bit of that. How cute is that? And you could even do gold if you want. And then we're just going to use our hot glue gun, which I happen to have back here. This is the simplest little craft you can do. And it's fun because it makes just enough noise without being kind of annoying. And then you just put some bells on here. You can get the bells at any craft store. Just add your bells. And then here's my finished one. You could add ribbon to this. You could add more glitter to this. Whatever you want to do. It's fun. It's simple. It's a fun little noise maker for when the new year gets here. We'll go ahead and get this out of our way. So our next craft is something really fun that everybody has, the poppers. It's really, really easy to make. Just go ahead and take your toilet paper roll here. I have some tissue paper. We all have leftover tissue paper from the holidays. You're gonna go ahead and roll it up. Really simple. This is an easy, fun craft. Roll it up, twist it on the side here, add a little pipe cleaner. You could add ribbon if you want, whatever you wanna do to tie that end. I have ribbon on this one, but for this one I'm just gonna use pipe cleaner. And then fill it with some candy, and then maybe a couple bells so it makes some noise. This is a really fun one to make and to use. And then take another pipe cleaner, pull that around there. And for an added touch, I took a little bit of this glitter paint. Just pour that on there like that, and then brush that around, and look, it just adds a fun little glittery touch to your popper. Very fun, very simple, easy craft to do. And our final craft, you know, this year's been a little crazy. We've had a lot of things to remember it by. I've got this little bucket here, or you could use a box or whatever you have. It's kind of a time capsule of what's gone on this year. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it with, you know, we had all these recipes like our banana bread and our sourdough bread, all the things that we made, pop those in there. And then we have our Clorox wipes, you know, that was a really big one. And of course, you know, for us women who dye our hair, our home dye kits, our toilet paper, our hand soap, our hand sanitizer, bottled water, all the things that we're remembering 2020 from, put all those in there and cover it up as a time capsule, maybe some newspaper clippings and magazine, just different things to remember 2020 by. And it kind of helps us get rid of 2020 and look forward to 2021. Happy New Year, guys. It's gonna be a wonderful year for all of us. Happy New Year. Drink responsible. Cheers.